Hey everyone, welcome to today's art lesson. Today we're going to draw a mermaid in 9 easy steps. All you need is some paper and a pencil. Crayons or colored pencils or markers are great too. The point is to have fun and to learn. Keep in mind that if I'm going too fast, you can always click pause or rewind. At the end of the video, I will share a special riddle with you, so be sure to stick around. Now, let's draw.
First, let's start with a circle for the head. Now, let's add 2 slanted lines for the neck and a rectangle for the body. Next, we'll add the sleeves. One, 2. Now we'll just create a little rectangle for the waist. Now we'll draw the tail. From the body we'll draw a letter J to make one side and a letter V to make the other side, making them meet at a point. Finally, we'll make the fins, 2 ovals with pointed ends. Next, we'll draw the arms. It's just 4 curved lines with a hand at the end, 2 lines for the top half, and 2 lines for the bottom half. For the hand, you'll make an oval with a littler oval on the side for the thumb. Let's do that twice. Then, we'll add lines on the big oval for fingers. For step 5, we'll add the hair to her head. Do 2 curved lines at her forehead, make a half circle above her head for the top of her hair, and continue that circle around one side of her head to her neck and shoulders. Continue the circle on to the other side, then swoop out to make a V so her hair floats. Now let's work on her face. First, we'll make a couple of circles for her eyes. A little upside down U for her nose, a half circle for her mouth. Now let's add a couple of details. We'll put in the irises of her eyes and add a few eyelashes. Let's give her some rosy cheeks. Now let's add some details to decorate our mermaid. I'm adding 2 half circles for ears and 2 dots for earrings. Then I'm adding some lines to her fins and to her hair.